body? Where does it hurt at?
Like up here.
Like where?
Up here.
In your thoracics?
Yep.
Sweet.
Ow.
You need to let me do some cupping on you.
Ow.
This is a mess through here, man.
Is it?
Yeah. How does your low back feel? How has it been feeling?
It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's super freaking twisted. Oh my gosh. The low back is a mess too.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh my god.
What?
Your butt is so tight. You did legs yesterday, you said?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's probably why. That was really good. This way, not so great. That's like glute med.
Tight?
Yeah. That's pretty typical with the way your pelvis sits.
Well, how does it sit?
Anterior pelvic tilt.
Mm.
And then this side, this internal one sucks. So this is more of the pure pelvis.
Ow.
Yeah, you feel that?
Yeah.
So when people are like, I have sciatica, it's because of this.
Mm.
Really is as twisted as it usually is.
Really?
Yeah.
Mm.
Take a breath in and hold it. And hold it. And lift your head up. There you go. Yeah, it's moving pretty good actually. Oh. Okay, and this side first.
I feel it's gonna pop.
Oh, you do?
This didn't.
Oh, it did? Okay.
Yeah.
Then what we're gonna do then? This way.
No, that's the good side.
Oh, it is?
Mhm.
Okay. Really gentle on this side. There you go. That hurts? In here?
And now in my butt. Ow.
What just hurt?
I don't know.
You got a little pop though.
Did it?
Yeah. I felt your sacrum. It was more your sacrum. I wasn't getting a lumbar.
Uh,
Did it hurt though?
no.
It didn't? Okay.
This kind of hurts a little. It's tight.
Because the butt side, I know. Yeah, I realize that. And then drop your right shoulder. That was out. Jeez.
Ow!
I know, doesn't that sting a little bit?
Ow, what's that from?
What is this from?
Yeah. Oh.
It's just like repetitive motions. So this is a golfer's elbow. No, it's like tendonitis.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
I have tendonitis.
Of course you do. You lift all the damn time. I have
Everyone
it.
does?
What?
Everyone does?
Pretty much.
What's going on there?
What's going on where?
On the hand.
In the wrist?
Yeah.
You had just one of them without a place. Does it hurt when I press?
That just feels really weird.
Where does it feel weird here?
Yeah, it's like
What?
sticking.
What do you mean
When you're
sticky?
doing that.
Oh, it's a little sticky. There we go. Let me push your shoulders back too.
Okay.
Come up. Okay, just sit there. So her biggest issues sit pretty normally. Okay. Is her like push forward neck, which is very common. And then so a lot of CT stuff. So when you hear people talking about the CT, it is the cervicothoracic junction, so like right here, about like C6, C7 to T1. So this area right here, which people that lift a lot, work out a lot, it often gets pretty locked up, as well as for her a lot in the thoracic spine through here, the ribs, especially on this side. She has a lot of muscle tension between her shoulder blades. The shoulder is pretty rolled forward, internally rotated, as most right-handed people are. And then her low back is kind of a mess. Her sacrum is super twisty. Good work.
Thanks, buddy.
Okay, go work out.
Don't be afraid to tell me if you ain't with it. I see your focus, yeah, you're so independent. So baby, tell me where your love lies. Waste a day and spend the night.
Okay, so this is gonna be the end of the video. Short little video, adjusting video. We're getting some homemade pizzas in, flatbread, bacon, cheese, pineapple. Pretty good. So, thank you for watching the video. Give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.